why positive thinking isn't what you think.
Most people misunderstand positivity. They think positivity means pretending everything is okay. But that's not positivity. That's avoidance. Real positivity is much harder than that. It means looking at your situation honestly and still believing things can improve. When my life fell apart, I couldn't fake happiness. It hurt. I felt lost. I felt embarrassed. But positivity helped me survive that season. Not because I ignored reality, because I changed how I responded to it. At POP, positivity means this: you choose thoughts that move your life forward instead of backwards. That doesn't mean every day is easy. It means you stop feeding your own destruction. So today, ask yourself, what thought am I repeating that's hurting me? And what better thought could replace it? That one shift can change your direction. If you're rebuilding your mindset, join us inside POP. Link is in the description. Stay positive, stay accountable, Mindset Rebuilders.
Touch your